Hey guys, I'm so excited to see you all. It's great to be back here talking. If you're new, I'm Alicia and this is a skincare channel. Do subscribe, turn on the post notification, leave a comment and all that. Also, remember to shop all your hair with us. Let's go straight into today's review. So for today, I'm going to be talking about this exfoliating soap by MAKARI. It's from the range Extreme Active Intense Unify and Illuminate Argan and Carrot Oil exfoliating soap. So as you can see, I know MAKARI names are quite long. It's just to distinguish the different collections they have. That's why they do that. I bought this soap back in December last year. I used it for roughly a month. Normally I would use my products for about 2 weeks to a month so I can give you guys a review about it. I'm confident to let you guys know what I think about the product. So firstly, I'll just talk you through how it looks. And yeah, as you can see, it's a metallic container. Really great packaging. I'm really impressed with this packaging. MAKARI, if you're watching me, that is amazing. That's how this soap looks. Sorry guys, I've already started using it, so obviously you can see you can see I've taken it out of this plastic package that came with it. And I'll also show you how the inside looks. So as you can see, there's this sort of a tray or lining in the inside, but yeah, really good packaging. And oh guys, this soap smells so amazing. It's got this citrus note. It has this kind of orange smell going on, and it's very strong yet it's very sweet and very nice. So really good smell, and it's a good soap. Great packaging, cannot complain, but I must say the price is quite on the high end. I'll pop it somewhere here. It's pricey, so I guess because of that you don't have to be using it every day. I'll touch on more on how to use this product. Just keep watching the video, but yeah, you don't have to use it every day, as it works effectively that way, and also it's obviously expensive, so you don't want to be using it every day. Some of the benefits MAKARI highlighted, and it's something I also observed as well, is the obvious one: it makes your skin lighter. For most of MAKARI products, that's what it does, but it's not to say that they don't have non-skin lightening products. They do, but for this particular soap, it helps to brighten your skin to a shade or two lighter. I've experienced that with myself, so it actually does that. The other obvious benefit is the fact that it helps to remove dirt, it helps to cleanse and to remove excess oils. I've told you guys time and time again that I do have an oily face, so this soap helps to get some of that excess oil off my skin. So I don't like it when after I've put on my cream or sunscreen it feels just too oily on my face. So normally I always want to make sure that my soap helps me get some of these excess oils off my skin, and this soap has proven that. Honestly, I'm not kidding you guys, it's really good. It has worked for me. Again, I have to emphasize this, that skincare products are not universal. What might work for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So this is me giving basically my testament of how it's worked for me, against, or rather in comparison with what MAKARI says the product does. And so far, yeah, it's brightened my skin, it's removed dirt, it also helps to remove the excess oils. MAKARI does say that it also helps to moisturize your skin and smoothen it, and it's actually true. Anytime I hop onto a new product, my skin is able to give a genuine first impression of the product. And the first thing I noticed when I used the soap was the fact that it really made my skin feel so moisturized. So it does achieve that, and within roughly 5 days to a week I could tell my skin was getting smooth as well. So it does help to achieve that, and yeah, I'm sure if you give it a try it will help. It can be used by all skin types, but if you have sensitive skin, please do not use it. If you have a sensitive skin, I'll normally recommend these brands. Simple products are really good. CeraVe and Cetaphil, those products are good for people with sensitive skin. I've realized something consistent with most of the MAKARI Argan and Carrot collection line. It mostly has the carrot oil in there. This particular ingredient, it helps to make the skin smooth, and it also provides antioxidant protection. It's also got argan.
It's a skin brightening agent that helps to lighten the skin.
And it's got apricot seed extract, which helps to make the skin firm. Let's now move on to how we can use this product. For most products, I always go with what the manufacturer says or how they say you should use it, unless depending on how my skin reacts to it, I then change my mind as to how to use it. Especially because of the price, I've been using it just 3 times a week. MAKARI says just 3 times, so I use it just 3 times. And within the 3 days in a week, you can use it in the morning and evening. So once in the morning, once in the evening, 3 times in a week is all you need to get it working for your skin. Hopefully it works for you that way. And yeah, one thing I personally do, I don't think MAKARI stated this, but that's what I do. I leave the soap on my face at least 3 to 5 minutes before washing off or going to take my bath. Something personally I do and it works for me. And I think for some skincare experts out there, they do that as well. But yeah, like I said, personally it works for me, and you might want to imbibe that into your skincare routine as well, especially if you're using this particular soap. And I think for some skincare experts out there, they do that as well. But yeah, like I said, personally it works for me. If you have skin concerns yet you chose to use the soap which you are not meant to use it, then leave it on your face for maximum 1 minute, not too much, so you don't trigger any sort of sensitivity, or rather further sensitivity on your skin. Maximum 1 minute, that should be fine. Then you go wash it off. MAKARI also says you can use it for both your face and your body. Again, personally I use it for just my face and neck, and the reason is because of the price. I don't want this cute baby finishing way too soon. When I bought it at first, I thought to myself, Alicia, I'm going to use this for about 6 months, and yeah, it's working for me, because this should be, I think, the 3rd month. Yeah, I bought it in December, so actually the 4th month, and I'm quite impressed. I still have more of the soap in there. So it depends on you if you wanted to use it for your whole body to bath, but I am not doing that. I want to keep it for as long as I can, just for my neck and my face.
Hey there, I do apologize for interrupting. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification just so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for doing that. Keep watching.
I always do recommend this. If you are using a particular product, you are best buying the whole collection. That's if you financially can do that. That way you get the best of results. So for this particular one, I would emphasize that as well. If you can, just buy the whole argan and carrot collection and use everything all together. That way you get quicker results. And another thing I also recommend, which I touched on earlier, is to leave the soap on your face for about 3 to 5 minutes. And it's just 1 minute if you have a sensitive skin but still chose to get the soap, or you're just not sure if you have any underlying skincare issues. and you chose to use the soap without consulting a doctor first to find out, or a skin expert first to get advice to give you the go ahead, then yeah, just leave it for 1 minute on your face before you wash or go take your bath. What I'd finally say about this product based on my experience so far, I personally think it's mild and gentle on the skin. I've not had any sort of reactions whatsoever. It's achieved what it promised, which is making my skin radiant, making it lighter, smoothing it. It's made me glow, and I love the packaging. And based on how long or how much you use it, it might stay longer for you. Like in my case, it's 4 months now. I use it for just my face and my neck 3 times in a week, and I still have a lot of the soap left here. So yeah, it does last longer depending on how you use it. So I'm sure you guys can see my discount code somewhere here. Use it, go purchase this product. Let me know how you get on with it. If you are not sure how to use it, any questions, whatever suggestions, please leave it down below. So yeah, this is the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the love and support. If you've not subscribed, remember to do so. And yeah, I'm out of here. Bye.